during the live stream, we watched so many different kinds of videos, but here's the thing. I'm getting a little tired of watching these same kinds of videos. So we got a Supermoto Crash. We also have somebody that actually did a good job planning, so I'm actually kind of happy about that one. But we have a Moto Karen. If you don't know what that is, that's somebody getting extremely angry at another driver for being on their phone, not seeing anything, or whatever it is, whatever excuse they want. And it's pretty embarrassing. So let's just watch it and laugh or whatever you want to do. Come on.
All right, looks like we're going, kind of fast. Whoa, speed wobbles after hitting a bump. See how quick it could happen, everybody? See how quick it could happen? This was a simple mistake. Simple mistake. Nothing he could have done. Nothing he could have done. I don't know if this is a street legal bike, but that doesn't really matter, right? 2 wheels. We got 2 wheels, handlebars. We're riding. Exactly, flexible with a lot of damage. The problem with this is that it happens so quickly. No matter what you can do, you wouldn't be able to grab the handlebars. You wouldn't be able to do anything when it comes to the, trying to save it. You wouldn't be able to do that. So as a smart rider and using the smart rider principles, what you're doing is you're acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment just in case something like this happens. You have that safety net to mitigate as much damage to your body as possible. So he hit a slight bump, but I have a feeling maybe he's going a little too fast for his tires too. I don't know. There's all these different factors. So it could be a bump, speed wobbles, not a good handlebar. Could be also he's on knobbies. I can't see his tires, so maybe knobbies. So the speed rating of the motorcycle tires is not for that speed. Maybe he's going too fast for it. So it's starting to delaminate, it's starting to get some issues. We don't know. But here's the thing. At the end of the day, all these factors come together as a crash. And the only thing we have on our body is going to be protective equipment, PPE, personal protective equipment. So get helmet, jacket, gloves, pants, and boots. There's a link in the description for some beginner gear from Revzilla. Check it out. Thankfully, he didn't hit like a car. He landed in some really nice shrubbery. All right, so we're riding here. All right, right away. I don't like where I'm at. All right? Don't like it. He's got good vision, though. He's prepped and ready for an escape path if he needs to. Let's see what happens today on Riding Smart 46. Oh, that. I need a beer. Oh my gosh, look at that pile up. Nobody had good space cushions. Right? Hey, he's rescuing. Oh, okay. Are we doing something good to where I'm gonna feel better? I think this is a good one. I thought he was gonna get into a bad spot. Another crash. I thought this was gonna be a dumb rider. I'm actually pretty happy that this is a smart rider. All right. So what I said earlier. I'm getting in a better mood now. What I said earlier, I don't like this because look, we have terrible escapes. We can't escape to the left, can't escape to the right. All we have is this lane filtering position, which is still good. It's really good. What we don't have, what we can do also is decrease everything and increase that space cushion. But this right here is the lane position that I like to ride in for this specific reason. And also this reason for parking like at a stoplight. Because look at what I can see. I can escape through it. And if somebody does hit from behind, they're going to hit the vehicle right next to me. But this right here, if we were over here in this spot, this is all the space cushion and total braking distance we have, total stopping distance we have. Right here, since we positioned ourselves for safety, that is our new total stopping distance. This was an amazing job on him for positioning himself, so planning your ride. And also, if he couldn't stop in time, he could also escape through this whole area. So he's positioned very, very well. Okay, so this is exactly why I like being in this spot. So right here, we have this person perceiving and then reacting because they're trying to stop, right? So now we're going to have to react off of that. So if we were right here in this lane position 3, and this was the spot that we could work with, then that's all we can do. Okay, that's our total stopping distance. But now look where we're at right here. It's way up here. That right there is positioning yourself for safety. So now he has this total stopping distance versus this total stopping distance. That's beauty. That's beauty. So he's gonna do some good progressive brake pressure. So brake, 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 brake. Great brake pressure. You see how he didn't dump the bike? Mwah. Good job, man. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment. So make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from Revzilla using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out. No extra cost to you. Plus, it lets Revzilla know that the DanDan crew is pretty badass and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link. I'll see you soon. All right, we're moving right here. One behind me has a was bumper humping me for a while. Okay, interesting choice of words. They ran the red light. That's their problem. That's their fault. Whatever consequences they want to have, non-issue. So now you caught back up to her. Great. Good for you. Now, what are we going to do about it? Are you a cop? Are you? No. No, you're not.
Hey, do you always drive like that? Tell
Maybe.
people and running red lights?
Sometimes. It's okay,
How
bye.
about that?
Yeah.
You ran a red light and they were tailgating me the whole way. You were tailgating me the whole way.
She's like, but I'm on my phone watching. I'm watching DanDanTheFireman on my phone, so I can't pay attention to you. Bye. What a turd bucket. All right, same rider. Let's see if we get mad at this person too. Typically, if you're getting mad all the time, you're the common denominator, which I had to figure that out for myself. But anyways, so we're going to get up to here. We see the side of the vehicle. Now, they're supposed to go into that first available lane. They're not going to. How many freaking times? This is the problem I'm having, classes. This is the third day of the week that I'm doing this, you know, a live stream. Which, guys, by the way, if you're watching this later, we do have live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. We're doing it Friday today because I wanted to, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm losing brain cells. I'm seeing so many crashes, so many close calls, so many people getting angry, and I am just. No, I'm not going back to class. No. Scarlett, I don't want to. Can we have somebody else do it? All right, let them know I'm coming back. All right, here we go. So we got side of the vehicle. We're going to get up to here. This guy didn't even attempt to turn into the closest lane, then merge. He just shot over. That happens all the time. As motorcycle riders, especially those of you that are smart riders, you need to be paying attention. You are the more experienced person. You're the most trained person on the road, at least in the general vicinity. And if you're not the most trained person in the road area, like if you're that driver up there, then maybe you shouldn't be on a motorcycle. Now, if you can recognize all these things, R1 rider, then maybe you should anticipate this ahead of time, you know, be a smart rider, seek out and recognize these hazardous situations using your planning method and adapt to the hazard by switching lanes or using progressive brake pressure or rolling off the throttle using engine braking, then you should be fine. But here's the thing, we're going to get up to here and act like a dum-dum. All right, here we go. We're going to do this. Great swerve. Okay, fundamental skills, but you're not paying attention too much. You're obviously not using any type of protective equipment with your arm. Let's get to it. Come on. All right, whatever. Moving on. Yeah, there you go. There your arm is exposed. And we're riding. Good space cushion, everything. Whoa! That's what happens when a semi-truck trailer tire blows up.
Biker had close call with trailers, exploding tire. Guys, what do you think? Would he be blown off the bike if he was 2 seconds ahead?
Whew. Yeah, it would have messed him up pretty bad. Now, it would have messed up this car. Probably rip some paneling. Probably tear some of the door off. Definitely scratch the paint. Got very lucky. Very, very lucky. That car would have been just like, oof. So good job adapting to it, positioning himself off to the side just in case. My big concern is actually getting next to the vehicle because that vehicle now wants to get off on the road, but definitely won't do it on the bridge. But get yourself out of there. Definitely get yourself out of there. There you go. Now we're in the safe area.
This biker had close call
Hurt my
with
neck.
trailers exploding tire. Guys, what do you
This is just one of those uncommon things, very rare situation where it could happen next to you. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.